Hi, my name's Jason Viewers, and I'm here in the beautiful night and day window decor showroom right in the heart of the city of Toronto at 1075 Yonge Street. And today I'm going to talk about problem solving for your PowerView remote. So one of your shades or a series of shades is not working and you think it may have something to do with the remote. So let's take a look on how we would problem solve through our remote. So in taking a look at the remote, as I lift it up, there's no lights flashing. I engage the buttons and there's no lights. So we're going to take a look and see if a new set of batteries will help us solve our issue. So carefully, I'm going to pry our remote out of the pebble, flip it over, and unlock the case. Oh, so in this case, we notice somebody has taken the batteries out, probably to power one of their 1980s watches. So with a 2032 battery, we will simply add our batteries back into the remote and lock it back in place. We will press our remote down. As we lift it up, we see that the light flashes. Now, if we notice that our remotes are losing power a little bit quicker than you want them to, press and hold 6 until you see it flash. In that case, it will take away the wake-up feature. So when we put our remote down and we lift it up, the lights don't flash. You simply pick the channel you want and engage the up or down feature. Again, my name is Jason Viewers, here at Night and Day Window Decor, right in the heart of the city, with 2 other locations, one in the beach and one in North York. Thank you for your time.